Yo guys, what is up? So kung nakikita mo tong video na to, it is my first day on taking Funded Next Challenge worth $6,000 account. I am currently on phase 1. Syempre, phase 1 tayo magsisimula. I'm taking this challenge to prove na maganda si Funded Next or para ma-review siya in a way na gagamitin ko din siya syempre. Ayun guys, update ko kayo kung anong magiging process natin dito, kung paano tayo makakapasa, kung mapapasa natin. And yeah, phase 1, phase 2 until maka-payout tayo. So today nga pala is May 9, 2024. It's 9:05 PM. So I will update you sa progress. Thank you for listening. So the update, dapat tayong titake na trades. This is our first day. But first, I will show you the dashboard of the account na prove na tinake ko talaga siya, no? And yan, let's take a look at it. Yo guys, so it's our first day and papakita ko yung dashboard. And ayan, we're at May 9, 9:09 PM Philippine time. And ayan yung dashboard ni Funded Next, no? So yung balance natin is 6,000. Ayan, then yung daily loss limit natin is $300. Target natin, tax loss natin is 600 and the target is only 480. So ayan lang muna for video na to and will update you sa mga mangyayari. Additional pala, ayan, end date niya is unlimited kasi stellar account gamit natin. Meaning to say, wala tayong trading days na kailangan habulin, no? Ayan, so May 9, 2024, account type, ayan, initial balance, $6,000, account type, two-step, stellar challenge, phase 1, 6K, and we are swap, on swap. Hindi tayo naka-swap, free. Dagdag kasi siya. And yes, kung nag-hold kayo ng trades overnight, you can use swap free. Yo guys, so update, I have already taken my first trade at the first day of my challenge, no? Ang tinake kong trade ngayon is si gold. Bakit ko yan tinake? Kasi sa 1 hour is imbalance yan. As you can see, imbalance siya. However, nag-set kasi ako ng limit order. However, malakas yung pagka-mitigate sa kanya. Or yeah, ayun, malakas yung momentum ng selling. Pero we are just targeting 1:2. So here is the actual trade. Yeah, that's it. And we're up $6. And this is the setup. And yeah, we'll update you guys kung ano na lang mangyayari sa akin lang. And yan guys, yung first trade natin is malapit na mag-TP. So let's wait kung mag-TP na. And guys, mukhang looking good yung first day natin. So we're just waiting for the take profit to hit. Then yun lang. Yeah, malapit na siya. Let's take a look kay chart. Ayan, dito. Malapit na din siya dito. So, 116. $4 na lang. 120 yung target profit. 117. Okay. So, we have finally hit our target profit. And we're up 1.99%. Parang germs lang. And yes, that's it for this video. This is our first trade. Short reflection. For me, this day is great. Kasi, yeah, we just a simple setup. Daratang simple setup. And very blessed yung first day na to. Kasi nga, yun, we're up agad. No? Hindi tayo nagsimula sa losses. Kasi, okay naman siya. Pero, grateful kasi hindi tayo doon nagsimula. And, yun guys, I hope you learned something in this video. Ba't nakatutok sa dingding? Dito pala dapat. Ayan, I hope you learned something in this video, no? Ayan, yun lang. So yun guys, nilagay ko na din pala siya sa journal kasi importante naman. Ayan, so May 9, XAUUSD, New York session, forecast, yung notes kung bakit ako nag-take yung trade, before trade, then forecast, entry, exit, and PNL, then yeah, kung anong nangyari after, post notes. So yun lang.